Hello everyone, this video is about logarithmic and exponential functions topical past paper. First question, we have e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x divided by e to the power of x plus 1 equals 4. First thing we can do is to multiply both sides by the denominator. So we cancel out. On the left we have only this. On the right we have to expand 4 times we have this, and now we have a quadratic actually. So here if we move this e to the power of x to the right, we subtract 4 minus 1, we get 3. We move this to the right, we have minus e to the power of minus x, we still have plus 4. We can write the equal 0 on the right here. Now we multiply both sides by e to the x. E to the x times 3e to the x. E times e to the x squared. And if we multiply this by e to the x, we get e to the power of 0 or just 1. Multiply this by e to the x, we get this. This is now a quadratic in terms of e to the x. Just like 3a squared plus 4a minus 1 equals 0. We can use the quadratic formula, the ABC formula, and we get the possible a values, positive, negative. And if this is a, the a is e to the x actually, so e to the x equals this, and we can just ln both sides. We get only x on the left. On the right we have ln all of this. If we use a calculator, this is 1.536 in 3 decimal places. Just like in the instruction, it says you have to use 3 decimal places. And this is rejected because if you try with your calculator, you'll get a math error. Impossible. For ln, something negative. The argument cannot be negative. Another example, yeah, we do exactly the same thing here. So we multiply both sides by the denominator. So we have 4 times e to the x, 4 times minus e to the minus x, and we move the 2e to the x to the right. 4 minus 2 is 2. We have this, move it to the right, minus 4 minus 1, we get minus 5. We can multiply both sides by e to the x, so this becomes e to the x squared. This becomes just 1, or no need to write it down. And yeah, you can use the quadratic formula here. If you want to use the quadratic formula, this is what you get, and this is still e to the x. The x is therefore ln this. It cannot be negative, so this is rejected. Right? Yeah, this is exactly the same basically. So we just multiply both sides by the denominator. So we get 4 times this, 4 times this, you get this. We move this to the right, so minus, we have only 3 now. Move this to the right, minus, so we have minus 5 now. And we multiply by 3 to the x, so we have 3 to the x times 3 to the 2x, so we have we add the powers, 2x plus x, 3x, so we have 3 to the 3x minus 5. Yeah, just move the 5 to the right and the 3 divide, and this means we have 3x equals log base 3, and the x is 1/3 log this base 3, so we get this if we use a calculator in 3 decimal places. And this is about exponential. Yeah, we can just split the powers, 5 to the power of 3, 5 to the power of minus 2x, and yeah, this is the same as 5 to the power of minus 2 divided by 7 all to the power of x, because we divide both sides by 7 to the x here. And we also divide both sides by 5 to the 3rd power. So we have x equals log base, yeah, this is the base, this we get this in with the calculator, we get this. And now Yeah, we have a quadratic again. This is reducible to a quadratic. Just use a calculator. You get the roots. The roots are actually 5 to the x. So 5 to the x equals the first root, the positive root. The negative root is rejected because 5 to the power of whatever cannot be negative. Alright, just read the rest in Google site. That's it. I'll see you again next time.